See, all these teams are generated and all these teams are based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video fully charged up. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Mumbai Indians versus Rajasthan Royals by using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data, and based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams using our software. So I'm basically from South India. मैं हिंदी थोड़ा आता है. That is the reason why I am unable to make the video in Hindi. I am really sorry for that. So let's analyze the data. So the data will be the probable playing 11 from the Mumbai Indians side will be Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Jayant Yadav, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt from the Mumbai Indians side, and from the Rajasthan Royals side, Josh Butler, SSV Jaiswal, Sanju Samson, Shivam Dube, David Miller, Riyan Parag, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Shreyas Gopal, Mustafizur Rahman and Chetan Sakaria. In the Shreyas Gopal place, Jaydev Unadkat is also might be there. So you can check after the toss as well. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides. So the top players from Mumbai Indians side will be Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya and Trent Bolt. So here Rohit Sharma is in very good form along with Suryakumar Yadav. Other batsmen are not in very good touch, but Rohit Sharma and Suryakumar Yadav are in good touch. And from the Rajasthan Royals side, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson, David Miller, Rahul Tewatia and Chris Morris are the top players. Especially Josh Butler, Sanju Samson are in very good form, and Rahul Tewatia is also performing both with the bat and as well as with the ball. And let's analyze the captain potential players in the point of view of our software. So we can consider Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav as the captain potential players from Mumbai Indians side. And from the Rajasthan Royals side, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson and Chris Morris can be considered as a captain potential players from the Rajasthan Royals side. So let's analyze the vice captain players as well. So the vice captain players from Mumbai Indians side will be Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya and Trent Bolt can be considered as a vice captain potential players. And from the Rajasthan Royals side, the players will be Josh Butler, Sanju Samson, David Miller, Rahul Tewatia and Chris Morris can be considered as a vice captain potential players. So after that let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch and the average score will be 147. That means we can expect anything around 280 plus runs out of 40 overs. So it will be a balanced pitch. So let's analyze some specific points in the point of view of our software in order to get the winning Grand League teams. So the specific points will be the credit range. So the credit range will be 98.5 to 100. This is the ideal credit range for the today's match between Mumbai Indians versus RR. At the same time, Mumbai Indians is a little stronger than Rajasthan Royals. We can go with 7 players from Mumbai Indians and 4 players from RR, as well as 6 players from Mumbai Indians and 5 players from RR. So let's analyze the winning combinations as well. So winning combinations will be 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 2 bowler, and also 3 wicketkeeper, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowler, and also 3 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These are the winning combinations. As far as I concerned, these are the winning combinations for the today's match. So by using all the data that we have analyzed, let's use our software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is advanced team generator software. It uses a lot of advanced techniques in order to generate the accurate teams. In this software, it supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11, My Team 11, My 11 Circle and other applications as well. And those who want the software, those who have interest on this software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box as well as in the comment section as well. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that we need to choose match. sorry, we need to generate the teams here. There are bunch of options here. Those who want to know how the software completely work, you can check our YouTube channel, or I will provide some of the videos of the complete details of the software in the description box as well as in the card section as well. After that, generate teams here, and click on generate teams here. And after that, choose fantasy. Here you can choose any fantasy that you are playing. Here we are going to select Dream 11. After that, continue, and we need to choose the series here. There are bunch of series available, and Vivo APL is what we are going to play, and continue. And there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. They just need the accurate teams. In that case, you can go with these 2 sections. Especially Quick Small League section is very good section for beginners. And for those who have some good knowledge on cricket, who have some good prediction skills, so you have to use this advanced generation section. In this video, we are going to use this section here. So click on this one, and we need to select the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between Mumbai Indians versus Rajasthan Royals, and continue. And we need to enter the number of match number. You can give any match number, there will be no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, we are not only generating the teams, we are storing your teams in order to give you the opportunity to check the results of your generated teams. That's why you need to give the match number. You can give any match number. I am giving 240 as the match number, because the teams will be stored under 240 as the match number. So you can check the teams again if you want by going to match result option at the home page of this software. So this, by the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. And after that, click on continue. And we need to select at least 6 players from each team. That means you can select all the 11 players that I have given in the slides. So let me quickly select them. I have given Ishan Kishan, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Kieron Pollard, Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya, and Rahul Chahar, Jayant Yadav, and Bumrah and Bolt. Okay, and from the RR side, Butler, Miller, Rian Parag, Jaiswal, Chris Morris, Rahul Tewatia, Shivam Dubey, S. Gopal, and Sanju Samson, Sakaria. So these are the and Mustafizur Rahman. These are the players from the RR side. After that, continue. You can select any number of players. I mean, you can select 20 players out of 22, no problem. And after that, continue. And we need to select the fixed players. You can leave this section as it is, as 0 players. There is no problem at all. If you want to fix some of the players, I feel Josh Butler will definitely score good runs today. That's why I am fixing him. At the same time, I am going to fix Trent Bolt, because I think he will definitely take 2 or 3 wickets, or 1 or 2 wickets for sure. And also I am also fixing Suryakumar Yadav also, that I think he will also score at least 40 runs. And if you think Rohit Sharma will also score good runs, you can fix him. And after that, continue. And after that, we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So I have already given you the some of the players you can consider for captain. So go with them. Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, Suryakumar Yadav from Mumbai Indians side, Josh Butler, Chris Morris, and Sanju Samson from RR side. After that, continue. And we need to select the players you want to consider for vice captain as well. So the vice captain players also I have given some of the players. You can select them. And from the RR side also, let me quickly select the players. So these are the players from RR side. And after that, continue. And here the team partition strategy, as I have already told to you that Mumbai Indians is stronger than RR, so we can expect Mumbai Indians will win this match. So Mumbai Indians we need to favor, that is team 1 here, Mumbai Indians. So 7-4 and 6-5, that means 7 players from Mumbai Indians also, and also 6 players from Mumbai Indians also. And continue, and we need to give the credit range, which is 98.5 to 100 is the ideal credit range I have given in the slides. And continue here, and we need to select the strategies. I have already given you the strategies. These are the strategies: 3-3-2-3 and 3-3-1-4 and 2. Another thing is there. Okay, 2-4-1-4. These are the three strategies I have given. So after that 2-4-2-3, I guess. Okay, these are the 3 strategies I have given. After that continue, and we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams between 1 to 3333, but 11 teams are definitely enough in order to crack the Grand Leagues. So just you need to generate 11 teams here, and after that so you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and these teams are very accurate teams. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this application interesting, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.